Hi, unlock the no-tech, high-profit formula to earning $900 a day. And it is simpler than you think. Okay, hi, I'm Carol Rivet, 59-year-old grandma who's been doing network marketing for quite a few years. And let's take you right into this right now about why I'm so excited about this. Okay. This is the no-tech. Now, what you see right here, it's a marketing system. If you're not familiar with the marketing system, let me take you through it right now. Okay? This is one of the big parts of success online. You need some place where somebody's going to put their email, and then you can take them to a professional that talks about the product and does the selling and telling for you. That is called rejection-free marketing. Okay? Somebody opts in, and then they opts in by putting their email right there. They come to this page. This pretty lady does the selling and telling of what the product is, and if it's a good fit for you, okay? And then if they want to learn more, they just simply click here. And as you can see here, there is a lot of proof that people are having success with this. Now, not only is it success with the product, but it is success with the system. Because if the system don't work, you're not going to be selling any product. Okay? Because the system is very important, the marketing system. All of the best marketers online, the most successful marketers and money makers, if I may say, have marketing systems or have created marketing systems. Now, don't freak out. You don't have to create a marketing system, but look at this. It clicks here, and then it takes you to your sales page where you can actually view the product. Now, let me just say really briefly, the product is digital marketing. It's digital e-learning. Okay? It's where the world is going. Because it's digital, it's global. And you don't have to create anything. It's all created for you. It's all done for you. You get the master resale rights to it when you purchase the product. And then you can resell it at 100% profit. Okay? And that is one of the reasons why it's so simple to actually have a $900 day. It's possible. I've had them. Okay, if this 59-year-old grandmother that can't even fix her remote control to the TV that needs a granddaughter or a daughter to come fix it for her, you can do this too. Okay, now this is the system, and like I said, it takes you through the product. And what else is important is that it takes you and, like I said, goes through the product, gives you a little introduction about me, and it goes through. There's 4 products. They're all individual products. They give you the most important thing online or offline that people in marketing need, and that's how to get customers to your business, whether it's brick and mortar business or an online business. This is 4 products. All products teach you how to get customers. It teaches you how to do it from social media without a following. It teaches you how to do it without a list. Why? It's because this marketing system builds the list for you. So this is really cool. So you can see this right here. And what happens is after they opt in and they take a look at this, is they go back to their email and they're going to get email sent to them. Okay, about this. Now, as you can see, I've had a number of sales. There's, payouts, $900 payouts, $300 payouts. So this is incredible. And this goes directly to your bank account. There's no monthly fees. Once you make the payment on the product, you choose the level that you come in at. Our best selling one is the legacy one for $900, and you can break that down into 4 interest-free monthly payments, but there's no monthly expense in this. Okay, if you need to do the 4 monthly interest-free payments to make it easier, that's totally cool too. Okay, so why is this so important? The marketing system so important? Why does this work? Do I still have this? Yes. See, everybody comes in at a different level. Some are getting leads. She's been in 4 weeks. This person got her sale after 4 months. And this person in 7 weeks has earned $22,000. Okay? And as you can see, I've been very happy with this. Okay? I've earned over $3,800 in this since I've been in this. Now, again, you get the marketing system, and it's all based around a 2-hour workday. And the marketing system is so critically important is because it grows your email list. Okay, it teaches you to get customers, to bring customers to you, and then you send them to your marketing system, this right here, which is done for you, and it's proven to work. Okay, so you're building your email list. And I will tell you, I can almost guarantee to you that if you remain patient and do the 2-hour workday consistently, get your message, they teach you, you're taught how to get your message and what content to put out, I can almost guarantee that as your email list grows, your income will grow. Okay, that's just the way the online business works. If you've never built an email list, that's why you haven't been successful. Or maybe you've been successful a little, but not to the extent of what you want. Okay, so this is an awesome system, awesome marketing system, and the marketing system's free. You don't have to pay anything. There's a one-time $29 cost for this to be set up with the sales page for the website. Okay, so there's a one-time cost for that, but you get email series, the sales page, capture page, okay, and incredible amount of training, mentorship. I think I clicked off of it. Yeah, I've been working and learning on the mentoring and being mentored. So anyways, if you'd like more information, go down below this video and you'll see this right here, carolcashdaily.com. Click on that link. This will come up. Put your email in there and then watch to get more information. You can get $900 payments, you can get $600 payments, you can get $300 payments, or $100 payments. If you come in at the Legacy, which is our most popular product, you will have all 4 of the products then. You'll be able to earn 100% off of all 4 products. Okay? You can come in at the launch pad of 100, and that would be the one product that you would be able to earn from. Okay, and if you come in at the 300, then you would earn from the 300 and 100. Okay, and you can always upgrade later within the 30 days for just the difference. Okay, so anyways, the marketing system and the 2-hour workday training with this are keys. The 2-hour workday because it gives you your freedom back, your time freedom. It gives you time with your family. But this marketing system is what gives you the success. And it's free. And it's a proven process because you can see that we've been successful with it. Okay? Okay. If you have any questions, put them down below. Okay? In the comment or opt in and email me back. Okay? God bless and take care.